Dr. Finn here. I'm going to show you some exercises that are super simple to do to increase the weight bearing or the weight loading on the previous injured leg. Not the leg that's currently injured. If an leg is injured, this is not appropriate. But this is for the dog that had cruciate surgery a month ago or 6 months ago or even 2 years ago, as it isn't really bearing the same amount of weight on the previously injured leg as on the non-injured leg. So it's very important that we balance out their weight bearing or the way they're standing so that they don't continue to injure the leg that wasn't injured in the first place. But each leg is meant to do its own amount of work, not the work of two legs. So what I'm doing with Spring here is I have a little snuffle mat and I'm putting it on this little table here so that so Spring is happily eating out of that while I'm working on his hind leg and making this video for you. So it's not complicated. Just occupy your dog. If he's not food motivated, then you're gonna need some help or something else. But super easy strategy. Keep him busy while you're doing what you're doing. Okay, Spring is eating out of his snuffle mat, and for the sake of this demonstration, this leg that's farther away from you is the injured leg, and this is the leg that's been doing all the work. So we want to increase the weight bearing in the opposite leg, the leg further away from you that was the injured, recently injured, recovering leg. Not currently very painful. This is not appropriate for a very painful leg. But we're gonna take this little stabilizer disc and we're just gonna put his so-called good leg that's been doing all the hard work, we're gonna elevate it and kind of have it on this unstable surface so that it's increasing the tone in the opposite leg. So super easy. It can be done with a couch cushion or a pillow, anything that's dense. So I'll use a couple more examples. This is a bigger stabilizer. And so you can see that his leg is bent, this leg that's been the hard-working leg, so that he can increase the tone and have the majority of the weight strengthening the leg that's the weaker leg. Or we'll give you one more example. This is just a squishy mat. So it's just 4 inches. So the foot is bent and not all the weight is in it. And this opposite leg that was injured and is trying to get stronger can have more of the load on it. Now, Spring's not injured, so he can do this all day long. But if your dog is injured, you're gonna do this in short intervals. So take a break in between 30 seconds to 60 seconds, a couple of reps, but do it several times a day just so that the muscle is getting retrained and the proprioception is getting retrained, that these two hind legs can have equal weight bearing.